this year also marks 26 years since Hoi An Ancient Town was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List on December 4th, 1999. Over the past decades, the centuries-old trading port has been restored and revitalized, becoming one of Vietnam's most iconic cultural destinations. On this occasion, local authorities are taking a close look at the town's conservation efforts amid a year of major changes. And our reporter Hoi An was in Hoi An to deliver us the full view.
2025 has been one of the most eventful periods for heritage conservation in Hoi An. Vietnam's major administrative restructuring has changed how the ancient town is managed. At the same time, the new law on cultural heritage came into force, requiring the town to adjust its protection regulations. Adding to the pressure, historic rainfall and floods this year submerged large parts of the old town.
After the administrative restructuring, we need to develop a new master plan for preserving Hoi An, which must be approved at the government level. All relevant legal documents from the former Quang Nam administration will also need to be adjusted, and the plan must meet UNESCO's requirements. But regardless of these changes, the work of managing and conserving the heritage must continue.
Currently, Hoi An's conservation plan toward 2035 is being formulated. Looking ahead, the city aims to fully restore all degraded heritage sites, complete comprehensive scientific documentation for its cultural assets, and expand protected zones to safeguard the integrity of the World Heritage Area. Just a few weeks ago, the ancient streets of Hoi An were deeply underwater. Yet, tourists have quickly returned since then, a sign of the town's resilience and readiness to face climate change and extreme weather. In this new context, the future of Hoi An will depend on how well it can protect the past while adapting to the challenges of uncertainties. Hai Nam from Hoi An for Vietnam Today.